Man, I wish I had this car. Carrera 4 GTS. That's amazing. I guess I'm not too into convertible, but I mean, this looks amazing. Turbo convertible. Wonder how much this is. Maybe 200,000. Wow. Yeah, Turbo S. Wow. Look at the spoiler. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Yeah, I don't like this, the cloth top. Ooh. Carrera S. That'll be... I'd love to get that in the future. If I have little extra money for S, but I'll probably be able to just afford the base right there. But this is my favorite. Look at this, beautiful. And look at my Taycans. So Taycan 4S, much faster than mine. Look at this. This is a nice car too. Oh, but look at this. Taycan Turbo GT. Look at that. Wow, just a front spoiler. Amazing looking front bumper. Look at the side air duct. Wheels, brake caliper, crazy looking. This is carbon fiber here too. Wow, amazing. Turbo GT. That's a Turbo S. Panamera. Panamera looks a little fat, but no, better than mine. And eventually, if Cayenne comes out as electric, I'll probably get this one, but electric version. Beautiful dealership here. Rusnek, Pasadena. They're the friendliest, I have to say. I've been to a lot of Porsche dealer, and this is one of the best. I don't know about the car price though, you know, but just the dealership and the personnel is really good here. They gave me a goodie gift. That is cool. It's like an all-weather floor mat, but it's a coaster. I use it for work all the time, so this my coworker is gonna probably make fun of me, but it's nice. Okay, so I got my car back, and let's look at what they did. So after performing APB6 recall, after cable replacement charge is red, so it didn't work. Checked and charger would not charge. Tried to program it again and checked and still did not work, and they ordered another cable. So mid part of the charger it worked, but they replaced the cable and charger works fine. Replaced brake hose left and right for front axle. That's good. Brake hose. They did the brake fluid, so that's amazing. That's very good. Checking high voltage battery cell over here, cell module, and reprogramming the software, and there was no error, and they told me that my battery was completely 100% working, so I didn't get the new battery. And I was kind of hoping to get a new battery, but automatically reprogrammed control unit for high voltage battery, and replaced front seat cushion passenger side for the airbag issue. Reprogrammed PSM control unit, the midsection, the actual computer. I had a little rattle, but I guess they couldn't find it, so I'll try it next time. But that's how it worked. They gave me a loaner car, but I turned it in perfect condition, so everything is good. They fixed the recall. Okay, so they're very friendly. At least my experience in service. I got my car back in a very quick turnaround time. Thank you for viewing my video. I'll come back with the next videos. Thank you.